Hi, I'm Tom Houston from Safety Speed Manufacturing in Minneapolis, Minnesota. And today I'm at M&M Tool in Salt Lake City, Utah. And with me here is the Safety Speed H5 vertical panel saw. This particular model that you see today is equipped with the silver accessory package and all of the assorted boxes that come with it. So this is how you will receive this. This is what it'll look like when it comes off the truck, when it comes to your dock. Today we're going to show you how to properly and safely uncrate one of these machines after you receive it. So the first thing that we want to do is to remove all of these boxes that are strapped onto the machine to make it a little bit lighter and just a little bit easier to do before we start cutting off the back of the crate. So now we have turned the machine around, so we have the back of the machine, and as you can see, all the boxes have been removed, so it's lighter and easier to work with. And now we are simply going to cut the back of the crate off. And we do that with a reciprocating saw, and we start right at the corners, and we'll just be cutting through the staples right here along the perimeter, at the bottom, right here, and up at the top. Okay, so now you can see that we have cut through all of the staples and we have removed the back of the crate, and the machine is fully stable inside the crate because it's in cleats on both sides. And now all it takes is two people to simply grab onto the frame, grab onto the edge of the crate and pull it out, and then it comes right back, and two people can very easily take this frame and move it wherever you want it in your shop. So the next step we're going to do is installing the fixed stand onto the machine. But before we do that, there's one little step that we want to do, and we want to remove this packing material right here, and that's all that it is just packing material, and that gives us easier access to put the bolts on for the stand. To install the fixed stand, you start with this bottom curved piece right here, flush against this vertical piece, and the U-bolt comes around, and you can just finger tighten that U-bolt on, and then you come back to the two pieces and connect them all right here with this single bolt, washers on each side, and then those split apart and get connected onto the diagonal frame piece on each side, again with another U-bolt and the two nuts on each of those sides. So at M&M Tool, when you buy one of our vertical panel saws, They can help you with anything that you need, from learning how to take the machine out of the crate to fully setting it up to make it ready to cut, adding on any of the accessories. So any questions that you have, they're the professionals that you should go to. They can help you out completely.